Here's a quick trick for you DIY guys. If you don't happen to have the correct tool, as in this case I don't have the correct one that's going to fit inside this axle bolt here, I'll show you a quick trick to remedy the situation. You simply find yourself a bolt with the same size head. Let's plonk him in there like that, fits perfectly. Let's go over to the vise. Find two nuts, in this case these are flanged. I've got the two flange nuts facing one another. I've also put some chisel marks in the flanges of the nuts so that when they face one another they should lock into place. So get your bolt there, face the nuts the opposite direction that you would expect them to go, flange facing out, if you have flanged ones that is, and hopefully those little grooves in there should lock onto this other one. So we now put this into our vise and we tighten the hell out of these two so that they lock into one another. You want them as tight as you possibly can go. Grab a socket that suits those nuts, fit it into place, put that into the bolt head itself, the hex head. I've put the wheel back on just to give me a little extra leverage, and unless it's redonkulously tight, this little guy should do the trick. Let's try. It is pretty tight, so I've got my crack bar, I've got a pipe, and I've got a pipe. Let's see how it handles it. Okay, let's give that a whirl. Man, that's tight, but it works. Cool. Awesome. This little guy works a treat.